Watch this tool in action. It brushes, swipes, and deep cleanse, giving you a spotless keyboard in seconds. So satisfying, you'll want to clean every day. One keyboard cleaning kit, your secret weapon against keyboard grime. A soft brush, a detail tip, and even a keycap remover, all in one sleek tool. Excuses. Get your 3-in-1 cleaning kit today and bring your keyboard back to life. Tap the button, clean it up, and feel the difference. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more satisfying gadgets.